Here's a quick video. I've updated it. So I drilled 1-inch holes, measured it, all that. Put this actually in it. This is still attached. It's still there, fully attached, except now instead of this being way out here, it's closer. So when you step from here to here, especially for my mom that's 70, she was having an issue with trying to transition. So this was the obvious next step. I'll try to do it without doing that, but this is actually safer. So she can come from here, step here if she needs to, or here, and then grab onto here. This is the next update that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something from here and then notch it. And then I'm gonna replace this with something different. But that's the update on the steps that I made. I like it. It's worked out well. It's sturdy. It does not move. But other than that, good to go. I had some people that were asking about it, so I wanted to do a quick update video on what I was doing and what I did to make it the way it is now. So, I don't know. Got any more questions, anything, hit me up.